Hi, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. But if this is your first time, welcome to My Curly Girls and Me. Don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and click the bell to get all notifications so you won't miss any uploads. Okay, so today, now FYI, you may see multiple videos, multiple reviews coming after this one that I have on the same outfit because I say, you know what, I might as well just crank them out. Ain't no use to waiting, so just in case I have on the same thing in the next video, you already know why. But today, well, right now, I'm going to do a review on the Maui moisture products. I'll link it right here, what box I received this in. Here are the products. This is the Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for frizzy and unruly hair. This is my favorite product of the bunch. Yeah, this is my favorite product of the bunch. And this can be used, I'm gonna put, okay, you can screenshot the ingredients here if you wanna see what they are, as well as the directions and what's not in here. This is how it looks. It's very creamy. Oh, don't want to waste it. Very creamy, very moisturizing. If you remember that video where when I did the spring twist on my hair, and I said that my hair was coming out of my natural hair was coming out of the spring twist because I said the product that I used was so moisturizing. This is what I was talking about. This is what I used. That's a no-no. When you're doing like, maybe if I was doing plaits, like braids, it would have held better because the hair is tighter. But with the twist, this stuff is so moisturizing to my hair that I cannot use this for twist up under twist, like, because I was doing those spring twists and I had my hair twisted up and my hair was popping, like coming out of the twist because it was so moisturizing. But if you braiding your hair down, this would be great if you're going to keep it like that for a while, because your hair, my hair anyway, disclaimer, just because it's moisturizing on my hair, it may not be moisturizing on your hair. So let me just put that out there. So don't come for me if you get it and say, oh, you told me it was. Okay, I think we all know that now. So, but yeah, this is so moisturizing, and you can use it as a deep conditioner. I have not tried it as a deep conditioner because it's like so good and so moisturizing. I don't even want to rinse it out. I was surprised by this line because I didn't think my hair would really like it because it's like a coconut oil, coconut milk based type products and shea butter and all that stuff. But surprisingly, my hair likes the Maui moisture. Okay, so up next is the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry damaged hair. And again, this one here, it has directions on here for a deep conditioner, as well as if you want to leave it in as a leave-in treatment. And you can screenshot the ingredients here. And I've used this as both. I like this too. I really like this. I like it. I use it for a hair mask and as a leave-in. I like both of these. I really like both of these, but I think this one for like if I want something really moisturizing as a leave-in, and then this was a really good treatment for our hair. So this was really good too. The Curl Quench coconut oil curl milk for thick curly hair. Oh, let me show you the mask. It's pretty much like the other one I have, but it's not as thin. This one's thicker. See, it's not moving like the other one. It's thicker. And they all smell so good, like really good. I can't even describe what they smell like. Like this one smells like vanilla. Vanilla is what you get. It says vanilla bean. This is vanilla bean. That's what it smells like. This one smells more fruity, tropically or something. That product all over my hands. So the coconut milk Nourish and Moisture and Coconut Milk Combing Cream, Like, this name really speaks for it because it definitely is a combing cream. And when I apply this to my girls' hair, I can comb through their hair really well with it. You can look at the ingredients there. And pause it. So I really like this. I really like this for the hair. It smells like the hair mask to me. I like this. The curl mint, I use this more so as a refresher. Like if I did their hair with these products and then I want to refresh it, I would use this. So all of them I like. I enjoyed all of them. Let me show you the ingredients on this. Curl Quench and coconut oil, curl milk for thick curly hair. It says it hydrates, smooths, defrizzes, rich coconut oil, creamy papaya butter, wholesome plumera extract. And this one was good too. I don't know which one out of these two. I think I like this one better than this one. It's just hard to say because they all really work well. I really like all of those products, including this, the Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist for dry hair. And when I use this on my girls' hair when I did their style, gave them awesome shine and sheen. Yeah, I really enjoy the Maui products. There's nothing I can say bad about these products. Only thing bad is if you live in a high humid area like I do, Florida, you might want to be careful with using these as leave-ins during the summer if your hair reacts a certain way to glycerin. But if you want some moisture, these were great wintertime products. Great wintertime products, I would say. These two, I don't like these two. I don't find them as moisturizing as the other two. So these probably be better during the summer months, like spring and summer months. These two, well, summer, yeah, spring and summer, depending on how your seasons are. But these two right here, definitely fall and winter if you need something really moisturizing for your hair. So overall, I like these products. I would repurchase these two. I would repurchase this just because it's a spray bottle, and if you just want to get that nice all over, you want to add some shine, some sheen to your hair, I would this is good for that, and it smells good. This one is the lightest smell of them all. This one has a faint smell as well, but this one, as you can see right here, it's like really creamy. All of the products are really creamy, really creamy. I use these two right here, this one and the combing cream for my girls when I was styling their hair, like in ponytails and stuff. It's real good for that. It's good for reapplying to dry hair if you want to re-moisturize or restyle the hair. This one, same thing. They all just creamy. They all just creamy and good. I like them. I didn't have a bad experience with them. I liked them, so I'm grateful that we were able to try them. And so that's pretty much for this Maui Moisture. I hope I'm saying that right. Maui Moisture product review of the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate and Shea Butter Hair Mask. The Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter. It says butter. It says hair butter, but this is like a hair cream. It's unlike your average hair butter because it's so creamy. And the Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Combing Cream, which really does work as a combing cream. This is rightfully named. And then the Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Milk. And of course the Coconut Milk Nourish and Moisture Weightless Oil Mist. So yeah, I really enjoy all those products. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. And if you didn't, just leave. Bye. Until next time, Lord say the same. You will see me in the next one. Keep it curly, keep it straight, keep it however you wear it.